Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Marlo and today I'm going to make a vision board because I want to use the law of attraction to get everything I want in life. If you're interested in that too, hit the like button and let's get started. So this whole painting idea, I got it from Megan Weller. She got a tutorial. I'll link it in the description of this video. I always have this motto, don't start a new project unless you finish your old one. And that's something that works for me. So I decided to finish an old project with a new idea. There are tons of easier ways to make a vision board, but I wanted to use this canvas because I was not going to finish this painting. The idea was that every part of the canvas would have a cool pattern, but I am just not that into painting. So a few of the ones I did, I just hated the way they looked, so I only kept two of them, and I think those look cute. They're not perfect, but they are cute. So I thought it would be perfect to just print out some pictures and use this as a background because I didn't have tons of magazines just laying around to cut up. No, I barely had 2 magazines, so yeah, I used my printer, print out some pictures. Before I get into what I printed out and what I want to manifest, I want to give you this peel porn, and it's going to be very ASMR. And this is my favorite part of the project, honestly. Enjoy. I love that. So now I'm going to cut out the pictures I printed out and I'm going to start talking about what I want to manifest. So in the top right corner, I have a picture of a boy and a girl dancing, and she's wearing pointe shoes, so it's kind of like two goals into one. I want to dance ballet again, like I've done for many years, and I just love it so much. I really want to get back into it. And also, I want to learn how to dance with my boyfriend. We do it for fun, but we don't have lessons yet, so that's something we'd love to do, especially me, but he's in it too. So, um, I got a picture of a girl gardening because I want to live the cottage core dream. I love it so much. I'd love to wake up and open up my curtains and see a beautiful flower garden that's just I love it so much. So that's something I really want once I get a house with a garden, and just spend my spring and summertime in my garden working there, and maybe even make my own, grow my own vegetables to cook with. I just think that's so dreamy, and I just love the idea of not having to buy everything in a store because you have it in your own garden. So that is lovely. Then I also got a picture of a full, what do you call it? Like a concert, festival. Um, Initially, I wanted to be on stage, but now when I look at it, this picture gives me anxiety. So that just shows me that I need to work on my claustrophobia because I just can't handle concerts and festivals well, even though I love to party and I love music. So that's something I really want to work on. That's something I wanted to work on this year, but obviously that didn't go so well. So yeah, that is what that is all about. Then I also got a picture of just a cozy living room because I really want to move in with my boyfriend. It's something we're trying to find a place. I don't know how long it's going to take, but we're going to manifest it. And I also got a picture of a girl baking. I want to be the person that gives people baked goods for their birthday and stuff. I just think that's so great and lovely. And also, I want to be able to love cooking and not feel like it's something you need to do every day. I want it to feel like something like an art form, something to enjoy, to relax, and that's something I really like. Then I also got a picture of a wedding. I think that's self-explanatory. And I also got a picture of a girl in a car because I want to get my driver license. I'm sorry. I started my lessons, and yeah, I want to manifest it so that I can believe in myself. Right now I'm just laying out all the pictures to see where it's going. It's sideways, I know, but it was sideways for me too when I was filming it because my desk is too small. So yeah, it's quite a big canvas. I also got a picture of a girl singing. It's Dodie, I know. It's not really the point. I love singing, performing, and I just really want to get out there again and sing. And I don't know, I want to be able to just stand on that stage and not be afraid that I am going to sing flat, and just be confident and enjoy the process. I got a picture about traveling because I want to travel a lot. And yeah, then I got some few words. The word reflection. All these words are in Dutch, so I can't really translate them too literally, but reflection, it's kind of like the word like what you see when you look in a mirror. That's kind of the word. So reflection. We got a word that's kind of like sassy and spicy. It's something that people used to call me, but always in a good way. Never in a bratty way, but always in a way that I could stand up for myself. And I think that's something I want to keep in there. I want my personality to always improve but not change. Also got the word stubborn is not the good word. Stubborn has a negative tone to it. It's kind of like the positive version of stubborn. Just doing what you like to do. Just very Aquarius, basically. Just do whatever and be whatever, and you're going to be different, but it's going to be fine. That's kind of what it stands for. And then on the top I got this phrase from an old TV show that is so nostalgic to me, and it says like a little splash here, and it's about paint. So it kind of stands for my creativity because it's not really expressed on this vision board because I mean, obviously I painted it and made a collage. I'm already being creative, but of course it's important to stay creative. I mean, for me, it's what I always wanted to do. So yeah, now I'm just going to finish up with a little paint to make the white lines a little bit prettier. The pencil was very hard to erase because it had been there for months, and the white paint just made everything look a little bit better, neater, and brighter. So yeah, I love the outcome. I try to sit for this canvas every day and try and say out loud what I want to manifest, because I really think the law of attraction works. And I am quite the pessimist at times, so I really need this type of believing in what you can achieve. So yeah, I had a lot of fun making this vision board. I already had the paint on, of course, but I painted a lot over it to like make it look prettier, and I used the pictures to cover up the ugly parts. And overall, I just love it. It's not perfect, but it works and it's great. And yeah, I'm really excited. So let me know if you have a vision board as well, if you enjoy manifesting, and I hope you have a great day. If you liked this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can also follow me on Instagram, it's mayjournals_. You can also check out my shop, it's Mayjournals Shop. I currently have a Christmas sale going on, so if you want to check that out, you're totally welcome. And yeah, I'd love to see you next time. Bye!